it's Jess with Jess Smith Coaching, and in this video mini lesson today, I want to talk about how you can manage your mind through your job search. So we have between 12,000 and 60,000 thoughts running through our minds every single day. So much happening inside of our heads. But not all of these thoughts are supportive to us. Not all of these thoughts are helping us move forward. So these thoughts that I'm referencing that don't support us are called limiting beliefs. A limiting belief is a belief or a thought that constrains you and holds you back in life. So some common limiting beliefs that come up for job seekers are, I'm not good enough for the job that I want. No one responds to me. I suck at interviewing. And no one is going to be able to help me with this. Have you experienced any of these? They're really common, and our thoughts dictate our reality. So if you believe that you are not good enough to have the job that you want, your mind is going to be scanning for evidence to prove that belief to be true. So it's really, really crucial that we get a hold of our thoughts and really bring them back to a more supportive place. And so one way that you're able to do that is with my POC method. So step one is pause. When you notice a limiting thought come up, pause and acknowledge it, identify it. Step two is observe. What are those thoughts saying to you? Pinpoint that limiting belief. What exactly is it saying? And then step three is choose. Pick out a new belief that is going to be more supportive to you. So as an example, if your limiting belief is, I suck at interviews, maybe when you hear that thought come up in your mind, you can pause, take a breath, observe that that is the limiting belief, I suck at interviews, and then you can choose a more supportive thought to move forward with. So a more supportive thought would look like, I am taking steps to get better at interviewing. So you want to replace the limiting belief with a more supportive thought. The beautiful thing about your mind and your mindset is that you are the only one who is in control of all of your thoughts. No one can ever take that away from you. So make it a habit to choose thoughts that support you every day rather than choosing thoughts that tear you down.